Greetings family and welcome to the channel. It's your brother Prince Ayoko sending my greetings to you from Tamale, Northern Ghana. In today's video, I'm just going to share with you a little bit about my welding experiences and my welding talents. So please follow me and see what I'm going to do to show you about, the reason why I call myself a master in welding. And, I'm sending peaceful and lovely prayers to all of you. Please don't forget to share this video as much as you can. Subscribe to my channel and click on the notifications bell if you are new. And like the videos and let's continue to share with your friends as well. So that's what I'm doing. So it's all about the knowledge. It's all about the knowledge. The match is man. So growing up as a welder at a very young age like this boy, for the past, I was a little bit older than this guy, because I was like 14, 15 at the time. For the past 26 years, this is what I did. And this is what also built me up, the arc welding. So we're, working on these big trucks and big trailers that you see here. Now we are training boys. Kashim is here. That is one of our apprentices. These boys are here, as well as this big guy here. They are our apprentices. And having much experience in life with regards to yeah. So this particular man who is coming here is called Baba. Baba is the owner of this shop, and he was my junior at shop when we were learning work. Yeah, he was my junior. Baba was my junior. The owner of this shop was my junior. So I'm just passing by and I said, let me just stop by and say hi to them. When I come, this is what they were doing, so I have to also just help them a little bit. So it's all about hard work and dedication. That takes a person to be a master, you understand? So guess what it is. So family, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your time. I wish you a very wonderful and a very productive day. It's your brother Prince Ayoko sending my greetings to you once again from Tamale. Stay blessed, stay focused. One look.
Ya gala ke. Gala ke.